Next, in the given figure, a circle touches the side BC, okay, of triangle ABC at P and touches AB and AC at Q and R respectively. If AQ equals to 5, find the perimeter of triangle ABC. This perimeter of triangle ABC we have to find it. See this, AQ is given and nothing else is given. Okay. Now one important point which we have to remember is tangents to the same circle from same point means outside the circle are congruent, means this A is the same point and tangent to the same circle are congruent. So AQ equals to AR. That is basic thing which we have to remember. Also same rule applies to B also. So BQ equals to BP. Similarly C also. CR equals to CP. Right? So these three things we must always remember and move ahead. Okay. So what we want? Perimeter of triangle ABC. So what is that? So perimeter of triangle ABC is what? See this, AB plus BC plus AC. So AB plus BC is what? BP plus PC, right? And plus AC. Okay. So AB plus BQ plus CR plus AC. Okay. Means what? This BP equals to BQ, right? And BC equals to PC, right? Sorry, PC equals to CR, right? So we get this. But AB plus BQ is what? AQ. And CR plus AC is what? AR, right? And we have the values of both. So 5 plus 5, that is 10. So perimeter of triangle ABC is 10. Watch this part again because this is very important. This BP and BQ, how they are equal? See this, BP and BQ, same tangents to a same circle from same point are congruent. Similarly for PCCR, right? And then you combine this AB and BQ, CR and AC. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile.